Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The son of Sun stole the cloth of Obàtálá. Chant, Adifa fun omoyalorode, unlo onilug bogbo aye, kafere fun olowa, loda fun Obàtálá. Ebo, offering. Ritual cloths, 2 hens, 1 rooster, feather of the sabanero bird, all edible things, a lot of money. Story. There was a son of Sun who had stolen the sacred cloth of Obàtálá and was on the run. Sun did not want the authorities to arrest him. Obàtálá sent the sabanero bird to search for him. When Sun found out that the sabanero was looking for him, she brought her son into her house and told him, "Don't be afraid. Nothing will happen to you here." She took sticky liria glue and spread it all around the house. When the sabanero bird discovered that Sun's son was hiding there, and because he was determined to serve Obàtálá, he entered the house. But due to the liria, he got stuck. He struggled and struggled to break free and called out for the person who was hiding. Then Sun came and rubbed honey on his feet, freeing him, but only on the condition that he wouldn't say anything, and so it was. When the bird returned, he told Obàtálá that he hadn't seen anything. Then Obàtálá pronounced a curse that everyone would have to wear white. Note, one should not cast curses. Furthermore, if you carry a sense of justice, it amounts to nothing if misused. You are fleeing from justice, kaferifun sun. In 7 days, you may face obstacles in the street.